Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Winkins and welcome back to my 2019 closet tour. Basically I'm going to go through, show off all the clothing that I own throughout the last year, kind of go through brand by brand and stuff like that. Anyways guys, so before we go ahead and continue watching the video, don't forget I have a 100 subscriber giveaway going on. Once I hit 100 subscribers, we'll be doing a gift card giveaway. So comment down below what gift card you want. Just do in the comments down below. Once I hit 100 subscribers, we're picking a random comment and I'll tell you who the winner is. Also go ahead and make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Joshua Winkins. Post really cool photos, really cool stories. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and hop into the first brand. Alright guys, starting off with the first brand that I have is actually a shirt from Diesel. As you can see right here, this shirt did cost about 50 bucks. I got it from, I think it was like Saks Fifth Avenue. Overall, Diesel is a very nice company. Everything they make is usually really comfortable. So I highly recommend, if you've never shopped at Diesel, you've never heard of the brand Diesel, I recommend you go ahead and check out some of their products, because overall the whole quality and the feel of the shirt is really nice. So let's go ahead and hop over to my entire H&M collection. Okay guys, hopping over to my H&M collection, I do have about 4 types of H&M clothing. H&M is definitely a very good brand. The first one right here is definitely, so we can get on the hanger, is definitely right here, is this really nice H&M shirt. It just says Line of the Road or whatever. It's definitely a very nice shirt. H&M overall is a very nice brand. Hopping over to the second piece of clothing here is just kind of, as you guys can see right here, is just a nice little H&M crew neck. All these things cost about $10 or $15. Overall, again, crew necks are really comfortable, especially all H&M crew necks. And also, as you can see here, I just have a couple of nice dress shirts from H&M. I don't know, cost $20, $30. Definitely if you are looking for nice dress clothing, but you don't get the really expensive type, H&M is definitely a really good brand to go ahead and buy that kind of stuff. So let's actually go ahead and hop over to my Guess collection. Alright guys, hopping over to my Guess collection, I actually only have 2 Guess shirts, but they're definitely really nice. Of course, right here you kind of have the generic, classic logo Guess shirt. This I think cost $40 or $50. Definitely a really nice shirt. Anything from Guess is really nice. And the second one I have right here is definitely, it's not more of a generic one. You see me a lot of different pictures with this one. This one's really nice. I think it cost me about $40, $50. Definitely really comfortable. Anything from Guess is very comfortable. It's not going to be like high-end designer feel, but definitely if you just kind of want that nice designer feel, it definitely Guess is a great brand to go ahead and hop into. Actually, we're going to go ahead and hop over to my Forever 21 collection. Actually, I'm not going to go ahead and do a separate clip, because I actually only have one shirt from Forever 21, and it's this one, this Christmas sweater. As you guys have seen, I have put it in my Christmas unboxing video. I think I did do a picture on Instagram with it. Overall, Forever 21 is definitely a really nice brand. If you want to go ahead and check out their clothing, this sweater is really comfortable, really warm. So if you want anything like that, definitely go ahead and head over to Forever 21. Now I want to go ahead and hop into like my really big collection to kind of end off the video, and that's my entire Adidas collection. It's definitely the most expensive collection, and definitely a collection that I really like. Let's go ahead and hop over to my Adidas collection. So as you guys can see here, my entire Adidas collection. This one, as you can see, I've done a whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of pictures in this Adidas tracksuit. By far, it's the most comfortable piece of clothing and the most expensive piece of clothing that I do own. Hopping over to another sweatshirt I own, it's definitely, there's a lot of pictures. It's definitely a really nice orange Adidas sweatshirt. This one, I believe I bought it online, maybe $40, $50. Definitely a really nice sweatshirt. Hopping over to a couple of the shirts I have here, this shirt basically kind of matched my entire tracksuit. It cost me about $30 or $40. Really nice t-shirt. I also have this one, which is by far the nicest looking one that I think I have. Probably not the most comfortable, but definitely a really nice piece of Adidas. Also here to finish off my collection is just a really nice white Adidas t-shirt. This by far is definitely one of my favorite ones. I love the color scheme. As you can see, I do a lot of white and black clothing. That's just kind of the color that I really like. That's kind of it. I have a bunch of kind of not so expensive clothing, but those are definitely my biggest brands that I have. So let's go ahead and sign off the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hope you kind of enjoyed this kind of fashion lifestyle video. I also want to go down in the comments and tell me, what do you think about being kind of a fashion YouTuber? I think I may want to switch a little bit, not so much just talk about clothing and shoes. I want to do more of the cinematography side. So go ahead and comment down below, what do you think? Do you like this kind of fashion showy off kind of videos, or do you want more cooler like cinematic videos? Definitely leave that down in the comments down below. Anyways guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video. Don't forget about my 100 subscriber giveaway, and also make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel leave a like on this channel, and comment down below clothing or Adidas or anything like that. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys. Peace.